Pirates of Speelunker cave ride. Let's see what this is like.
Bonjour, this is Captain Jack, and welcome adventurers to Flatbush Falls Cave Adventure Club. As you board your seat, please watch your step and take your seat. Cards must accompany small children under the age of age. Your ship may stop at any time, so remain seated at all times while on the ship. The adventure will take you past the escape with jail.
Hey, shit, enough! A goddamn mogo! No jail cell can hold Captain Morgold and his fearsome crew! You ain't seen the last of Captain Morgold!
Big man, we travel by foot. Mr. Longneck, I require a heading. Aye, aye, Captain.
What's wrong?
Oh,
You got what?
no, I was hoping I wasn't. We hope you enjoyed today's adventure to Six Flags Over Texas, and let us know if you liked today's video by leaving a theme park emoji in the comments. See you soon!